In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that we can put a storage wax on your split board to keep it nice and fresh all summer until next winter when we start to shred again. Remember to like and subscribe. So just some basic supplies that we'll need to perform our summer storage wax for our split boards. We have 2 brushes, a wire and nylon brush from 1BallJ, as well as just a regular nylon brush. A clear base prep and base cleaner from 1BallJ. This can also be used as a storage wax. Of course, my scraper and some base cleaner, and we're just going to use this lightly. We want to remove the dirt and any other stuff. So got the bases all clean from the base cleaner. Now they're all dry. I'm going to come back with the 1BallJ base prep clear wax. So this is generally kind of a warm wax, so I've got my iron on a lower temperature. Okay, while the wax is still warm, I'm going to scrape it and try to get any of the impurities or any of that nasty stuff off my base. Next, I'm going to take my coarse brush with the wire on the inside and nylon on the outside, and I'm going to get a bunch of this stuff off. Okay, next I'm going to come back, hot wax, hot scrape, do it again. Okay, while it's still hot and soft, I'm going to come back and scrape it again. Okay, not going to brush again, but I'm going to come back, one more wax finish, and that's what's going to stay on the board for the summer. Alright, first one's done. Let that cool, let that sit. This one's ready for storage once it dries. So now I've got my second board, just going to repeat the same thing that I've done to the first one. Okay, on this pass, again, I'm going to use the wire and nylon brush, get more of this wax down, more of those imperfections out. So the stuff's cooling. And it'll be ready for storage. On these last couple passes, I made sure to come over the edges, try to protect those as well. One Ball J, not a sponsor, but they're a local company here in the Northwest. They have good, affordable products, and that's why I chose to go with them. Remember, if you're storing your skis or splitboard for the summer, most likely you're done using your beacon. So remember, take your batteries out. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.